What's up, it's Juanito. So, hope you enjoyed that little riffing right there. So I'm trying to do some old school Dream Theater stuff because I'm here with my 7-string. It's Ibanez or Ibanez. Ibanez because I speak Spanish. That's my first language, so I say Ibanez. So if I'm from España, I'll say Señor Ibanez. Anyway, so my Ibanez guitar, DiMarzio Dreamcatcher and Rainmaker pickups. Quick story with these pickups, they are the latest from the John Petrucci line from DiMarzio. I think they came out maybe 2 years ago, something like that. But it's what the new Majesties have been fitted with, these pickups right here. So the story with these, I actually ordered them back in February from good guys at Sweetwater, amazing people. Craig Edgard, shout out to you, that's my sales engineer, amazing guy. So the Dreamcatcher, I actually got it when I ordered it in February. This one, the Rainmaker, had to be a special order. And I guess with the COVID thing going on and whatnot, it took forever. I actually got it last week, in mid-September. That's when I finally got this pickup. So it is what it is. You know, I wanted the pickup. I wanted to complete the set, and I didn't want to make a video with just the Dreamcatcher because this one really sings. So that was a little bit of the mirror and lie from the album a week. If you didn't recognize it, that I played it pretty bad, but I'm having fun, man. And I'm going to my Mitsubishi Subway Rocket straight to the amp. I actually bypassed my pedal board because one of my leads is super noisy, so I need a new cable. Anyway, yes, so new pickups. The Ibanez, if you are familiar with the switching here on the for this the bridge, then position 1 will be like position 2. It will be like a position 2 on a Strat. It will be activate these 2 coils, the north from the bridge and the south from the neck, in parallel. So it's gonna have that Strat wacky thingy going on. Sounds pretty good. In the middle is just both humbuckers. Position 3 is the humbucker on top, but in parallel. So it's gonna sound kind of like a Strat on position 4, and position 5 is the full humbucker on the neck. So I'm gonna do a little bit more Dream Theater stuff. I want to showcase the cleans and the dirties and the very dirties, and that lead tone on the neck, which is super sweet. And well, in the guitar, it's a cool guitar, it's a $500 guitar. It's nothing too fancy. It's a Burl Poplar top, master volume, master tone. The fretboard is Jatoba, I believe it's from the Rosewood family, but it's kind of has a red tinge to it. It's a mahogany back. It's actually a pretty nice, well-made guitar. The neck is super amazing. It's a Wizard too. And if you're never into 7 strings, you think 7 strings are kind of intimidating, there's nothing to it. 20 minutes with it, you'll be having fun. You'll be like, good. It's all about the low strings, yeah. But it plays really well up the frets because of that nice Ibanez neck joint. And it's no tremolo, it's a string through, it's a hardtail, sustains for days, and I think the pickups really pair really good with this guitar. So let's do some playing. Oh, I hope you enjoy that. Yeah, I tried to go through all the pickups, all the selections from full bridge, split, and neck, and tried to do a little some Dream Theater action. You know, tried to do a Crimson Sunrise, the first solo. It switches from bridge to neck mid solo, so I wanted to capture that just to see how nice that neck pickup sounds. And I hope you enjoy that. So yeah, until next time.